Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to clarify something. Not all of the rear-wheel drive Model Y will not qualify for the discount. I just noticed that some of them do. For example, like all of the ones that are already produced or sitting in the parking lot or waiting to be picked up in the inventories, those the one that looks like or like the demo vehicles, those will not be qualified. However, the one that are going to be in productions or the in productions, those the one will qualify. For example, if we click on this one right here, the blue one, this one which is only what the demo vehicle, it has 378 miles, and you will clearly see on the top right corner here it says does not qualify for the federal tax credit, right? And you can see this 260 miles range, 135, 6.6 second for 0-60. But over here, look at this one right here too. This one as well. This is a new vehicle, but this is on the lot already. As you can see, the range a little bit less because of the wheels, but again, does not qualify for the federal tax credit. Moving on to this one, a demo. Same thing, does not qualify for the tax credit. I think that's the one that we saw earlier. So let's take that out. And look at this one right here. New vehicle in productions, and look what it says up here. Same thing, Model Y rear-wheel drive, and it says here it will qualify for the 7,500 fair tax credit. So what I'm thinking is, and look, check this out, guys. This is stealth gray too. So this is the new colors that they just introduced to the Model Y, the stealth gray and the ultra red. So what I'm thinking is, because these Tesla somehow use the new type of battery that are produced in the state, here somewhere, maybe in Austin, Texas, or in Nevada, who knows? But this does qualify, and the other ones no. And like I said, we can check out for another one right here too. This one right here too. This one says new vehicles too, and this is, check this out, the stealth gray one. So this will qualify, all right. And also, check this one out too. Again, new vehicle in production. Okay, so like I said, the possibility could be like they use the new types of battery or something. All right, so we can just go down here. If you, everything is the same basically, nothing changed, right? So if I were to continue with the payment, I would pick this up in Long Beach, and it says in transit, arriving soon. All right, so it's on its way or to a service center. So looking at this one right here, you can see $42,000, but mine is the 7,500. Not bad, 35, right? Not bad at all. Okay, so if you were to finance this one right here, and if you you can check it out, you can apply, and they'll tell you right away whether you approve or not. But your estimated monthly payment for this one right here is $661, and it's after the federal tax credit. You know, it's $557, not bad at all. $4,500 down, which is 11%, and with the APR 6.59 for 72 months, not bad. Compared to a lot of us that bought the vehicle, this kind of, well, not this vehicle, the long range Model Y back in late December 22, we're paying like a lot of money, $800 to $1,000, right? So yeah, so I just made this video pretty quick, just so if you guys in the market and if you curious to know whether the rear-wheel drive will qualify. And Tesla, sometimes Tesla and IRS, they don't really make it clear to specify it, so you have to look at the specific vehicle, and then it tells you that. So just to be sure, you have to look at every single vehicle and look at, I think right now, like maybe all of the stealth gray color, you know for sure those are just barely off the production lines. For sure, those will qualify for the 7,500. Any other one, like the demo vehicles, the one that sitting on the lot for a while, then it probably not. But just make sure, double check, triple check, check with Tesla, call Tesla to make sure you qualify for the 7,500. All right, so that's pretty much all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.